Yes, hi, can you hear
Yes.
me? Yeah, good
Yes.
morning. I'm calling because I wanted to ask a question. I called last night, and I was told that I needed to speak to a public records officer. The reason for my call was that I had came across a video um, about the family of Kendrick Johnson, and they were being sent text messages about how their son was murdered, and according to them, you guys didn't investigate it properly. Um, my name is Noel Munoz. I'm a citizen journalist and activist from New York City. So I wanted to know who can I speak to in regards to that.
It'll be Lieutenant Bembry,
Is he available?
Bembry.
hmm Is he available to speak?
I don't know, but I can certainly put you through to his extension.
All right.
Just a moment.
He said Detective Embry. Detective Embry was the person.
Hello,
Yes, hi. Is this Detective Embry?
that's Lieutenant Bembry, Internal Affairs, sir. What can I do for you?
Lieutenant Lieutenant Bramby. I apologize. Yeah,
That's all
hi.
right.
Hi. My name is Noel Munoz, and I'm a citizen journalist and an activist from New York City. Um,
Yes, sir.
I want to know why the threats of the Kendrick Johnson family weren't being investigated. I had came across a video yesterday from Kenneth Johnson stating as such that you guys weren't bringing any investigation forward to finding out the people who were texting them messages that their son was murdered and that the persons who killed them would not be caught.
Okay.
I was wondering if you can help with that, answer some
We most
questions.
likely. I got to go through my chief, sir. I got a chain of command. I got to go through. Can you spell your name, please, sir?
Yeah, it's Noel. Last name Munoz.
Okay.
Is there any way that I can request an opens record request to make the public
Sure.
aware of the initial investigation? How would I be able to do that?
Yeah. Yes, sir. You can file an open records request with our. Let me try. I'm trying to think who would be the best person to go through.
hmm
Lieutenant Pickett is in. He's in charge of our records division. I'm trying to get all your information down. The last four of your number 1734, sir, 1734?
Yeah,
Okay. What is a good email address for you, Mr. Munoz?
it's ILOVE my wife 0007 at gmail.com.
Three zeros?
Yes.
Okay, 007 at Gmail?
Yeah, at gmail.com.
Okay,
Um,
all right.
would you be?
Um,
All right. I'm sorry. You
Please,
wouldn't?
go ahead.
All right. I just want to ask. Why the persons that are sending texts admitting their sons had killed Kendrick Johnson? Is there a reason why those are not being investigated?
I'm not, like I said, sir, I'm going to have to go through my chief and get some sort of guidance on that exact case. We take about 6 or 7 thousand cases in a month.
hmm
There's no way I don't know which one off the top of my head. Like I said, I got to go through my chain of command and see what information we're going to release and that sort of thing. If you ever in any organization, I'm one guy that's in the middle. I got a whole bunch of folks that are much higher ranked than I am.
Yeah, but I mean, you know the family of Kendrick Johnson, correct? Have
Know them personally, sir?
no, not know them personally, but you know what they've been going through and understanding how they've been in battles with trying to find steps to what happened to their son. As far as that is concerned, correct? Like you guys are aware of what that family has been going through for the last 5 years, right?
Yes, sir. Again, I'm not going to be able to comment on anything until I go through my chain of command.
No,
Okay?
I understand. I understand. It's just I also you know, is it because they're a black family you guys are not investigating, or I mean, I mean, I just have to ask that question because I feel at times that people like that don't get, the respect that they deserve, even though because they're black, you know. So, hello?
Well, that's your opinion, sir. I respect your opinion.
No, I understand. I'm just asking, because I just wanted, because I did speak to a Georgia attorney, and they said threats like that, via text messages should be considered a threat to anybody and should be brought into your local PD, to investigate this further. And I would, but like you said, I know that you're saying that you have to speak up to your chain of command, and I understand.
That's correct.
That.
Yes. Sir.
So, how?
Okay, sir. I've got you.
Yeah, how
Go
do
ahead.
I get?
I'm sorry.
No, I was gonna say, how do I get in contact with somebody, or are you guys gonna contact me via email?
What I'm going to do is I'm going to send you. While I've got you on the phone, let me make sure the email goes through.
Okay.
Gmail, I usually don't have any issues with. For whatever reason, our server does not like Hotmail, even though most people don't use Hotmail anymore.
Yeah.
But 0007 Gmail.
I just
want to make sure this goes. I just want to make sure this goes through while I've got you on the phone.
All right, no problem.
You're up in NYC, sir?
Yeah, NYC.
Oh, cool. What borough?
In the Bronx.
Okay, cool. My grandfather was from Brooklyn.
Oh, okay. I'm I'm worried about this family getting justice. I know they've been through a lot. So I just, I advocate, for them and a lot of other families and that, and I was shown, I've seen some of the threats that were made to this family. That's why I was kind of caught off guard when I heard Mr. Johnson's video about it, and he said that you guys decided not to investigate. That's what caught me off guard.
I understand. All right. The email I'm going to send you. The lieutenant that's on duty down in our records division is Lieutenant Tim Pickett. I want to do is I'm sending you his name and his email address.
Okay.
Please contact him. He can walk you through the steps of filing an open records request and the steps that are needed, that sort of thing. Anytime that we have to go through an open records request, there usually is a cost associated with it because we have to assign personnel to look it up, print it out, that sort of thing. It's usually a fairly minimal cost, but there is a cost. I wanted to make sure you knew that. Okay, I'm going to send this to you in an email. All right, it looks like it's going to go through. Do you have access to your email right this second, sir?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to make sure that came through. It should be there pretty quick.
Yeah, I'm checked now.
Okay, excellent. All right, sir. Like I said, if you would, I guess email him whatever request that you have, and then he'll walk you through the steps. Okay.
All right. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it. Bye-bye.
Bye.